So we are tonight we are going to okay. Okay, tonight we are going to make a Telegram bot that we a simple Telegram bot that will reply any messages. This is only to make this is only a test for Faiz, so he can feel how to make a bot using Python. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, uh, but wait a minute. Maybe I can. It's good.
If you
Uh,
if you're just curious what this Faiz doing, he is
let's go
setting the camera.
Don't waste our time.
Okay, let's start. So we are now in Faizbot
Mm-hmm.
folder, and you already know the computer file and folders structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
So within a folder, we have several files on it in a folder, right? Okay, so to make a file, you can type in nano,
Just like double N or something.
no, just nano space,
Mm-hmm.
and then the file name that you want to be. You can make py, py for Python. It's up
Hmm.
to you. You can make any file name that you want.
Mm-hmm. It's quite cool.
Wait. Okay. Your screen is too small, I think.
Uh-huh.
Can you make it bigger? The fonts.
I don't know how to do it.
Let me check. Maybe
Mm,
few. Um, back control and scroll. Okay, just do it like this.
that's good.
It's better, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's better on the screen. Is it too big? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can press enter.
Enter.
Now you are in Nano Editor. So in this file, in this Nano, you can type in and then save the file. Okay, the first one we have to import some module for the Telegram in Python. You just type in this import request comma JSON.
Import request.
Request, right? This is the request module plus S. Sorry, request. Okay, comma JSON. Is
Jason like the killer.
yes.
Wait, I forgot. Uh-huh.
If you would like to know more about JSON, it's I forgot the abbreviation. Stands for Java. Uh, I don't know. Go. Then can you go to Telegram and vote for that?
Wait, what is...
Go to Telegram. No, no, this one. It's already
Oh,
open. Yeah. Then go to Godfather.
where is he, man?
You can type in this. search
uh-huh.
bar bot father. Sorry, there you go. It's already open that we are going to use the bus underscore test underscore bot. This one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, see that? Just clear. You can clear the message. It's been used before. Clear the history. Okay, it's clear now. Uh, where is the bot father? Go to the bot father. We need the API token. Yes. Please copy the token. Yeah.
God, we just use this or like gonna
Select. I usually
shift
click, 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 enter.
How?
After select click, and then you drag the mouse, and then Control C. Okay.
Passport.
Just click on
Oh,
the boss dashboard. Okay. Then go back to our terminal. Nano and yeah.
Control V.
No. You press enter. We are going to save the token and the variable in a variable. So you have to type in the variable name. We are using bot equals
Equal. So,
yeah, and then catastrophe, single catastrophe.
that was this.
Yeah,
There was some.
and then you can paste.
Uh, wait. What?
Don't use the mouse. Use this one.
Oh,
Start working. We can just click. Okay, then uh, close the catastrophe. This single catastrophe. Okay, then you have saved your bot token in variable bot. We will call this variable later. And then we go to line number 3, r equal, yes, r equal request dot get. I think you are typing. One more, yeah. Requests dot get. Open bracket
is
9.
six. Oh,
Yeah, right. Then single catastrophe
single catastrophe.
https
HTTPS.
colon
Shift.
backslash. Yeah, right.
Is it the click slash?
API dot telegram dot org.
Telegram from dot
.org. ORG organization.
G. Mm-hmm.
And then slash bar percent s and the file shift 5 s slash get updates, no space, get updates, question mark, updates, get updates,
Huh?
updates, updades itu, updades,
Uh-huh.
updates,
This
ya question mark,
fishing one?
question mark,
Uh-huh.
timeout equals 30,
Oh,
30. Then single console, then percent but. Okay, close. Okay. So I will explain a little bit about what you have been typing.
mm-hmm.
So in the third line, this is the R equal request dot get HTTPS API Telegram org slash bot. This is we have the percent s, right? This percent s we are defined on this percent bot. So this bot will be called this value, and then he put it in this field. Okay, and then the method is get updates, and the parameter for timeout is 30 seconds. Okay, we can continue. Enter JSON data equals r dot content. Yeah. Next, by number 5, data equals JSON dot loads open bracket JSON data.
Wait.
Save JSON data. Okay, and then we can try to print data. Print number 6. then data. Okay, you can save until then. Uh, Control X and then save Y to save Y.
This, right?
Y.
Yeah. This.
Yeah. Enter. Okay. Okay. To run the bot, you have to type in Python 3,
Hmm?
Python 3, Python 3 is what? Oh, sorry. You are. We have some mistake on giving the name. So it's supposed to be faizbot.py, but you are missing the dot. So we have to change the name using move faiz into faiz dot what dot py. So we are renaming from faizbot.py into faizbot.py. Okay.
Mhm.
Then we can start running the bot. Python 3 faizbot.py. This is how we run the bot. Okay, the bot is running. You can try to send message to the bot using Telegram. Just type in anything. See, okay,
Uh-huh.
you have typed in the subd.
Mhm.
So this is the result from the command from the script that you type in before. So we have this value. This is called the JSON response. So this is using JSON format, right? So we have the OK true and the result. This is confusing, right?
Mhm.
When you are trying to read the JSON output,
Mhm.
you can just uh, copy this, then go to JSON reader, yes, online JSON reader, like that. Okay, JSON beautify. Okay, code beautify. I'm sorry, sorry, it's so slow. So you can type in here and then beautify. No, I just want to show you how the uh, the JSON structure file JSON output process. So you can see here on the output before, it's kind of hard to read the messages, right?
Mhm.
But when we format the JSON data, so we can see under the result, we can close this. The result have several parameter. Parameter. It's the update ID, messages, and in the messages we have message ID, and then from. This is your ID. This is your first name. This is your username, right? Then this is your text subject, right? So we can getting information from this JSON output and then use it in our code. Okay, let's get back to the code. Okay, you can back to the code using nano. Oh, sorry, you, UI, right? So the last thing that we saw uh, is the output from the print data. This data is the output from the JSON. Okay, so we are continuing to get the information from the data. We can go to we can type in for x in data. As we can see, we are going to get all the data from this result, right? From the result. So it's all data. Then we only get this result. So we are going to get data, and then for each data in result, this result is this one, right? Okay, we are trying to get the update ID. Update, update, update ID. It's like this. Update ID is this one. This one. So when we have no update ID, it means there is no message coming to the bot. So if there is no message coming, so we do nothing. We only do something when we have uh, incoming messages, right? Okay, then it's key error. Key error means no updates. We have just print no updates, no message, right? Okay, else if we have an update, we are going to delete that message. So we clean up the inbox of the bot. So to delete the message, we are sending request get https api.telegram.org /bot person get updates using the parameter offset this this one. And then we are declare the bot. Okay, this one is bot. and then update ID. Update ID that we have declared before +1 to delete. Okay. Okay. Since we have deleted the message, we can continue. So we are going to reply based on chat ID. So chat ID is X message. If you don't know, you can see back to here. So message ID, there's message ID. This one, right? Chat ID. Chat ID right first. So from message and then chat and then ID, right? Message, chat, and then ID. Message. Then we are going to chat, then ID. Correct. We are getting it. Then we want to reply using your first name. Since we have the information right here, first name and username. So we want the bot to reply like, "Hello Faiz, this is your message." Right? So we are going to use your first name. So this is message, chat, and then first name, right? First name. We can copy this, I think, and then say it again. First name, right? First name, right? And then we also want, of course, we want to know what is your text. What are you sending to the bot, right?
Then what is that?
Date. Date.
Yes.
Date is date like
The
to
time when
2000. Yeah, the time when you are sending. But it's an internet time. So it's going from 1970, I think 1970, 1 January at 0 o'clock, 0 o'clock, and counting every second until now. That is the internet time. We call it the UTC, I think, yeah, right. So this is the timestamp when is the message is coming. So the text is on the message and then text, right? Okay. So your message is you get something, message and then text.
maybe it belongs for you.
Right. Okay. Okay. Then we already defined all the parameters that we want to get, right? So now we are going to set the response from the bot. So we are giving it text, maybe just response.
Message.
Yeah. So the bot will respond like hello, hello, whatever your first name is, right? Hello. This is the parameter.
That's username.
First name
Yes.
using. So if your first name is Faiz, then the bot will hello Faiz. Then this is the slash n is the new line. The bot will say your tag is Then this is again the parameter, right? Then we close using this. Then we define we declare the parameter. The first one is hello first name, right? First name, and then your text is message, right? Message. Okay. Then we are going to send this the response text, right? We are doing this. Yeah. We are sending the message using this request. Okay. Oops, sorry. HTTPS API this as one. Then the bot token, and then send message. Then you can set the text what is the text that you want to send, the response, and then the address, the destination of the message. So we are using that ID, and that's all. Okay. The first one is what, and then the text is response, right? Response, and then the chat ID. Okay, that's all. You can save it. Then we can run it again. Python 3 Facebook. um, maybe just wait. You can. The bot is not run yet. You have to type. Yeah, enter. Click enter, and then you can open the Telegram. See if it's any response from the bot. Ah, there is an error. There is an error. Ah, you can see it's
Connection adapter.
no connection adapter found. Ah, we are typing so many T right here. It's on the line number 13. Okay, we can go back to the smart line number 13.
There it was. The last one.
The last one. Okay, we can delete and then save it.
Run it again.
Let's run it again. See something.
Nothing.
So it's being so
Still
another error. The same error.
The line 731. 7031. What the hell?
Wait.
I don't know. But I decided because
No connection adapter were found. Offset.
I don't know. Maybe we can do it next time because I'm very sleepy.
Okay. Never mind.
To try next time.
I will just debug this to see the error. Whatever the error requested.
What? That's AAFK. A AFK.
Which one?
There is.
Ah, that is your bot token that
Uh-huh.
you get from the bot file, right?
Oh, something wrong with the JSON data.
Ah, we also have this three HTTP. I think that's all. Next.
Huh? Nothing. If I did the same line,
Nothing happened.
maybe did the same line. Just to
Can you try to send something to that?
nothing. Yeah, that's the same line.
Let's read. You can sleep if you want. You can.
I have to bed. Oh, Mama gonna beat me. Right, right.
Bye. So it looks like that we have doesn't have ID. Ah, I see. Sorry for this. It's supposed to be N. Yeah, right. Test it again. Should be running now. Okay, it's working. Wait, I'm going to call you guys. Okay. Just one character missing. It's I have mistake on this one. It, on this line. I type in comma right here, like this one, comma chat. It's supposed to be n, like this, n.
Mm-hmm.
So can you please rerun the bot? Oh, run the bot first.
This time.
Yeah, run the bot, and then you can type in something. Then the bot will respond.
Maybe. How about
See what?
this? Okay.
Okay. Then we run the bot.
Enter again.
Uh, Up and then enter.
Ah, yes.
See, it's working now.
Uh,
Now you can go to sleep with peacefully. Thank you for your time. Finally, it's done. Okay, it's been 40 minutes just to make a bot once, and then I hope it will make my boy happy and he wants to make more, but with with Python or anything. Okay, thank you. Bye.